Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a mobile development course with Google, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the mobile development landscape. Understand the basics of mobile platforms like Android and iOS. Visit the Google developers website for resources and offerings. Explore the various types of mobile development courses available. Identify your learning objectives and skill level. Determine if you want to focus on Android, iOS, or cross-platform development. Create a Google account if you don't have one already. Access the Google Dev courses through the Google Developers website. Select a course that aligns with your goals. Review the course curriculum to ensure it meets your expectations. Look for user reviews or testimonials about the course. Check if there are any prerequisites for the course you've chosen. Enroll in the course by following the registration instructions. Download any necessary software or development environments. Familiarize yourself with the course structure and materials. Set a study schedule to manage your learning pace. Engage with supplementary materials such as videos and articles. Join the course community or forums for support and networking. Participate in hands-on projects included in the course. Utilize online resources like documentation and coding forums as needed. Practice regularly to reinforce your skills. Start building simple applications to apply what you learn. Seek feedback on your projects from peers or instructors. Continuously track your progress throughout the course. Complete all assignments and projects to the best of your ability. Prepare for any assessments or certifications that may be offered. Expand your knowledge by exploring advanced topics as you progress. Stay updated with industry trends and best practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.